Alright, little gangster. Do it again. Come at me, bro. Come on. This bird right here. He's going crazy. He's trying to, attack his reflection. He's just chilling. I've seen these birds before. And I saw him posted up, a little ways away. And I was like, that's one of those birds. And he comes right over here and he starts, picking at his reflection. It's straight OG, straight gangster. The original yellow bird gangster. Check him out. He's just, in love with himself. I'm waiting here for my brother. His bird is just, entertaining the crap out of me. What is he doing? For real. What's your deal, bird? What do you get out of this? You're not getting any food. You're just, attacking yourself.